sometime November, like was like the 13th of November, was it? Something like that. Sold my rav4. That rav4 was a 2002 version. It's very good. It's 2.0. I can definitely feel that the 2.0 is a sweet spot for cars. Yeah, unfortunately, the engine malfunction could be that me not taking care of it or it just reached its time. But that car was good. Laura learned a lot from the car. That's been that's had that was a special car that we had. Unfortunately, if I am gonna get it fixed, the amount of money being spent to fix it would not be worth it because it's kind of old and it's kind of outdated. So we got this one here. It's not focusing. The Jeep. Anyway, yeah. So here's the video of me getting the car up and selling it and saying goodbyes to it. I love the car, but yeah, it's really outdated. Yeah, check out the video.
So long, brother. See you on the other side.
So after the guy took out my rav4, we decided to go to the city and we went to St. Kilda just to listen to some beats. Yeah, we heard some beats and we went there and it's just guys drumming and everything else. It's a bit scary though because the thing is COVID's still there and these guys are not social distancing. Could be, you know how it goes. So after that, yeah, you just enjoy the night and yeah, we just went out because yeah, we've been very busy. Laura's been very busy and that was the only time we could go out. So unpolished video still. See you tomorrow, guys.